So, how many layers of paint does this have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like, you know, the earrings with a
with a tree.
With a tree, except it's a unimog wheel and tire, which we are going to remove using our very professional tire removing system, Hawkloader. Now we're just breaking the beat with it. Okay. Totally professional tire removal system. Do not try this at home. Yes. Yes, that's it. Perfect. That's how you break a beat. As you can see, with that one single thing, it's completely off. Now, if you don't have a Hawkloader,
very special tire removal tool.
If you don't have the tire removal tool 2000, you just got your trusty hammer. Hammer! And
try not to hit the rim.
Yeah.
15 minutes later.
Yes. Oh. And there we go. Now we have it. That's the easy part. Totally not very labor intensive. We are totally professional. We've done this every day. Nope.
I hope I don't have to do this every day.
No. Don't.
What? It's the most sturdy part of the Hawkloader, right?
Yeah.
Only held by
This is that's the floppy side. I don't think that's the right size for the Hawkloader. No. Next step. Grease her up.
Yep. With tire grease.
Especially with these old brittle tires. They're very, very hard and they don't want to cooperate. They want to stay on there.
Doesn't want to stay. Can I have the third one?
Yeah, normally you only need like 2, but we're special.
That's nothing new.
Come on, stick it in there. There we go. Yeah, actually it's getting quite handy with the tire iron.
Getting quite professional with this. It's scary.
It's the 4th one you've ever done in your life, isn't it?
Like this? Yes.
Yeah. That's one side. Somehow these inner tires still...
They're still perfect.
They are perfect.
Like one has a little ding in them.
I have to be a little bit patient to get all the air out.
Sadly, it's the wrong size. Still need to find a place where we can get inner tires, these big ones.
Yeah. This one is on there. There we go. And that's an inner tire. Yeah. Yeah, you don't. It's not a clean job.
No.
In our opinion, this is the hardest part. But that's probably just because we are professional idiots.
Yes. And this is probably not the right way to do it.
It's going the wrong way. Yes, that's it. Okay, that's 3.
No, that's 4.
So there we have it. All the tires have been removed. The rims will be sent to the powder coater, and
Clean up probably.
yeah,
I still have to look up somebody
sandblaster.
in the neighborhood to see if there's somebody that does that.
And then we will be putting on the MPT-80 tires. So, see how that goes. But for now,
This is cleaned up. Make
Yep.
some space. Guess.
yeah, maybe we're going to do some rebuilding in the future. So we need space. Now, what do we do with these old tires? Well, that's pretty simple. We get ourselves a little bit of hardware, a little bit more hardware, and some old straps. And, well, eventually you end up with something like this. Now it's time to do something stupid. What do you get if you have 2 idiots and a spare tire and a crane? Ah! Totally safe. Totally cool, totally safe. Don't ever try this at home. So yeah, this is fun. You can make your own tire swing with just a spare tire and 2 random idiots. I'm Army Truck Tom, and this is the stuff we do for fun. Ah! After playing for a while, suddenly it doesn't have reverse anymore. If anyone knows anything about automatic transmissions from the 60s, let us know, because we put in new fluid. There's fluid in there. And we had so much fun.
Yeah.
Well,
new tires swing.
Yeah.
Crap. Things you can do with old tires.
Yeah. Let's get the unimog and some rope, and we'll pull it back.
Yeah.
Because I don't think they like this as a garden ornament for the rest of the week, the year. No,
your dad.
probably not. So let's do that. Another trackpad. Okay. Forward she drives fine, but reverse is a no-go.
Yeah.
So I guess we got some homework to do. Also using the Silverback 4x4 rope works like a charm again. I was even able to steer a little bit without you getting yoinked, I think. Yeah, a bit of a sad ending of a very fun day.
Yeah.
At least you got to throw me around with the tire.
That was a lot of fun.
That was fun.
Totally safe.
Yeah. Don't do like we do. We are trained professional idiots.
Oh, are you trained?
I guess I've been training for this my entire life.
Oh.
Yeah. 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 So hey, if you know someone that can help us fix a Well, Hawkloader transmission. Give us a lead bloop or a email or something.
And, if you don't know but you still want to support us,
you can always give us a coffee on coffee.com/arms.com. Blah, that's an entire link that's somewhere here. And also,
merchandise.
yep, buy our stupid t-shirts. We design them ourselves. We designed them ourselves. My English is very good this time. I'm tired.
Yes.
I'm tired. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.